someone who plays heavy games on laptops or does heavy graphic intensive things on laptop, then I'm pretty sure you must be knowing what a cooling pad is, right? So for someone who doesn't know what cooling pad is, let me tell you in short. So cooling pad is nothing but an external device which helps to maintain the temperature of the laptop and in fact lower down the temperature of the laptop. So generally these are very affordable, right? So if you see here, so this is the Cosmic Byte Asteroid up to 17.3 inch cooling pad, which comes with 5 inbuilt fans in it. So it costed me around 1500, right? It is available both on Flipkart and Amazon as well. So both the links will be given in the description. So you can go check out the product if you want to purchase it. So in this video we are going to unbox it. We'll see what comes inside the box, how is the product and everything, right? So hello guys, this is Umang here from Technology Overdose. Let's begin. But before starting this video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will not miss any amazing video that I put on my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the box. As you can see, the packaging that has been provided by Flipkart. Well, I've ordered it from Flipkart, right? So let's go further and unbox this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the product packaging here, right? It's clearly written Asteroid cooling pad, and some more important details given here, like 5 cooling fans, USB powered, up to 17.3 inch, right? And looking at the packaging, definitely the packaging that has been done here is really amazing. And if you can see here some more, if you can look here, there are some more product specifications given clearly, right? Like it's made of metal and plastic as well. 4 watt current power output and current voltage, so everything has been provided here, and I will obviously be describing as the video progresses. So let's take out the fan as well. Okay, so properly packed with bubble wrap and everything, and nothing much inside the box. Let's keep this aside, right? So let's open this bubble wrap as well. Okay, so this is the product as you can see. Well, talking about first impressions, then definitely it looks really impressive and attractive, and this blue color frame as you can see. And if you see the front material that has been provided, it's made of metal and the quality is, I would say, decent. Looking at the price tag of 1500, it is definitely decent, right? And this frame, if you can see, this frame is of plastic. I don't think as of a metal. And on the back you can clearly see it's completely made of plastic. You can clearly look that there are 5 fans being provided, 1 large and 4 small fans. These are level indicators, so there are 7 optimum levels. So according to your different usage, you can actually use these level indicators. And talking about at the side, well, here there is nothing, but if you see here, so these are 2 fan indicators, 2 different control indicators, and these 2 are the USB ports. So it looks really good, right? And one important thing, as you can see here, so this is, you need to just, okay, so it just comes out, and this is known as laptop stopper. So what this does is, so if you look here, so this is our cooling pad. And as soon as you fix this here, so As you can see, this just fixes like this, and this is known as laptop stopper. So it helps providing your laptop proper support so that it does not fall. Now this supports up to 17.3 inch, but I would suggest if your laptop size is around let's say 17 inch, then go for a wider base, more wider base, because 17 inch will just fall into the border lines, and that is really not worth buying, because the stability won't be that good, right? So if your laptop is around 17 inch, go for wider this base. Okay, so in addition, we have been provided this USB braided cable, and if you can see, the quality that has been provided is really amazing, right? And I didn't expect seriously at the price tag of 1500 you will be provided this USB braided cable, right? Okay, so let's just further go and connect this to my Acer Aspire 7 laptop. Let's see how it works, and what actually are the speed of fans and etc. So let's just get forward. Okay, so that was it about everything on first impressions of this product, the Cosmic White cooling fan. So pretty soon I will be releasing a video which will be a full review on this product. Does it really lower down the temperature? Is it really worth buying it at 1500? Some different tests will be done without using this, with using this, and all of those, the durability test, the fans, does fans really make noise? So a full complete review, detailed video is coming really very soon, so stay tuned for that. And that was it in this video, guys. So if this video helped, please hit that like button, share this video, comment on if you have any suggestions or queries. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe.